पणजी बालभवनाच्या आवारात 17 दिसांचो मिना बाजार भरला। पूण ह्या एक्सपोत बालभवनात येवपी भुरगीं आनी खाणा जेवणाचे सुरक्षेविशीं गोवा कॅनाच्या रोलन मार्टिन्सान हुस्को उक्तायला। ह्या एक्सपोक लागून दिसपट्टे लोक गोळटा। बालभवनाच्या भुरग्यांची राखण कोण करतलो? एक्सपोक आमी ना म्हणिना, पूण तो हांगा नाका। संबंधित खातेय गंभीर नाशिल्ल्यान रोलन मार्टिन्सान तिडक उक्तायल्या। पळयात विन्संट रोझारियोचो रिपोर्ट।
हे आतां आमी आसा ते बालभवन पेंजीम आनी हिंगा आतां एक्झिबिशन स्टार्ट केल्लें आहा फ्रॉम 22 नोव्हेंबर टील 8 डिसेंबर। सो हे तुमी पळोवपाक शकता हिंगा। आनी ही आतां बालभवन नो स्मोकिंग ऑर टॉबॅको फ्री एरिया। आनी हिंगा धाकटी भुरगीं आसता आनी भुरगीं हे सायडीन फुडल्या ह्या एंट्रन्साचेर सोटया हिंगा आनीक एक फाटल्यान तेंचे आनीक एक बिल्डींग आहा। त्या बिल्डिंगान कसले हे एक्टिविटीसांक ते सायडीक वयतात। ह्या धाकटी भुरगीं तुमी आतां ती पळयले आसतले। सो ह्या भुरग्यांची सेफ्टी आनी स्पेशली गर्ल्स चायल्ड तेंची सेफ्टी हिंगा कितें आहा। आनी हिंगा तुमकां सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार एकूच सेक्युरिटी आहा आनी एक सेक्युरिटी तेणें एंट्री चॅक करची पडटा, प्लस तेणें गेटीचेर रावचो पडटा, प्लस तेणें पार्किंग पळोवचें पडटा। आनी ही भुरगीं धाकटी स्पेशली गर्ल चायल्ड फाटल्यान चलोन वयता पळय तेन्ना आनी हे मायग्रंट्स हिंगा आहा तेंची सेफ्टी हिंगा आतां आहा कितें?
Receiving of a complaint that an exhibition is been started here in the premises of Bal Bhavan. We from Goa came to check out what is the circumstances in which an exhibition is taking place here, and I was shocked to find that the exhibition has been allowed inside the compound premises of Bal Bhavan. Now Bal Bhavan is a very cherished center for children, you know, and to start opening out these premises for commercial activities puts the children in a vulnerable situation. I have been standing here for the last 1 hour and I have been seeing this entire area is open. All sorts of persons are walking in and out here. There are children who are coming here. The security of the children are at risk. Now, worse still, when I went inside the exhibition, what I found, illegalities. They are selling food items there, packed food items. Some people are just showing some license of FDA. The packed items do not have proper address. The weighing machines are not having the license from the legal metrology department. Now when these sort of violations take place within a institution meant for children and their education, this reflects very badly on the entire setup, and it's very disheartening to see that the concerned departments have not taken cognizance of it. We are not against exhibitions. Goa Can has been saying this for years. We have inspected exhibitions and brought about changes, but we have said very clearly there has to be a clear-cut demarcation where exhibitions can be held, and for commercial purposes definitely they can be held. We are not against it. But if you go into exhibition, there is no name of the organizer, there is no phone number in case of emergency, there are no stall numbers, the banners do not have any address, just say Orissa, Rajasthan. How can such a thing happen in the capital city of Panjim? I am concerned whether the corporation of the city of Panjim have been taken into confidence and their permission has been granted for this exhibition. 16 days you are holding an event inside the premises of a very prestigious education institution for children. We would call upon all the departments to do a thorough introspection on what is happening here. This cannot continue in this fashion. You see, we have to keep the sanctity and safety of the children. One security guard, poor fellow here, he has to manage the entrance gate, he has to manage the side gate and see to the parking. How is this one security person going to keep track of who is going inside and who is remaining there? So our contention is very clear. Bal Bhavan premises should not be commercialized. It should be kept out of the purview of this type of things. They can have it on compulsory ground. They can have it on other grounds and where exhibitions are being held, but not in a place meant for children.
गोवा 365 खातीर विन्संट रोझारियो, समृता खणगांवकर आनी मुजेफ शेख.